Hi, I'm ALBERT Yadiyah. In this video, I'm going to make three-wheel RC robot.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
So, without any talking, let's get started. This is the chassis I'm going to use for the car.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It's like 1 a.m. I just finished wiring to see this working or not. It's actually working pretty fine. So let's do the wiring part correctly.
A few moments later. A few minutes later.
I am using external power supply instead of batteries. because due to the Sri Lankan economic crisis, battery prices are skyrocketing. Left button for turn left, right button for turn right, and push both button in same time for straight movement. This car is so fast, that's why I am using my mousepad as a track.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
A few minutes later.
Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. I appreciate that a lot, and see you in next video.